Hi viewers, welcome to our channel. In this video we talk about container gardening flowers. So let's get started. Container gardening flowers offers a convenient and versatile way to bring the beauty and vibrancy of flowers into any space regardless of size or location. With container gardening, you can transform patios, balconies, windowsills, and even small yard into a stunning floral display that brighten up your surroundings and create a sense of tranquility and beauty. Container gardening flowers provide a range of benefits, allowing individuals to exercise their creativity in selecting plant varieties, arranging combinations, and experimenting with different color schemes. It offers the opportunity to showcase a diverse selection of flowers, from cascading blooms to compact and colorful arrangements. One of the primary advantages of container gardening flowers is the ability to control and optimize growing conditions. By selecting the right container size, soil mixture, and watering regimen, you can create an ideal environment for your flowers to thrive. This flexibility is particularly useful when dealing with challenging gardening conditions such as limited sunlight or poor soil quality. Container gardening also offers the advantage of mobility. You can easily move containers around to maximize sunlight exposure or protect delicate flowers from extreme weather conditions. This mobility allow your versatility in garden design, enabling you to experiment with different layouts and arrangements to suit your preferences and change the aesthetic of your space. Whether you prefer classic blooms like roses and lilies or you are down to the cheerful hues of daisies and marigolds, container gardening provides endless possibility for expressing your personal style and creating captivating flower displays. Additionally, you can mix and match flower varieties with different growth habit, colors and texture to create visually striking combinations that showcase your artistic flair. Container gardening flowers are not just limited to outdoor spaces, they can also enjoy indoors. By selecting indoor appropriate flower plants, you can bring the beauty of nature into your home, bringing up living areas, kitchens, or even offices. So, whether you are a gardening enthusiast with limited space or beginner looking to explore the world of flowers, container gardening provides a delightful and accessible avenue for cultivating beautiful blooms. Get ready to embark on a flower adventure and enjoy the charm, fragrance, and color of container gardening flowers in your little oasis. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and like and share. Thank you.